It is said that more carbon exists in soil than in the atmosphere and all plant life combined. Plants draw carbon from the air through photosynthesis to form carbon compounds. What the plant doesn't need for growth is released through the roots to feed the soil organisms. Carbon is the main component of soil organic matter and helps give the soil its water retention capacity, structure and fertility. Therefore, increasing soil organic matter to improve the soil carbon store is a win-win situation for both growing more grass and addressing climate change. Agriculture can offset emissions by sequestrating carbon in soils and growing plants. Soil storage of carbon can be increased through reducing the frequency of tilling and erosion, and through the inclusion of deep-rooting species. Improving peatland can also greatly benefit the environment. Peat soils cover around 90,000 hectares of Wales, and exposed peat releases huge amounts of carbon to the atmosphere. Restoring peatlands not only helps tackle climate change by storing thousands of tonnes of carbon, they also filter water, help reduce flood risk, provide homes for wildlife, and continue to support sustainable food production.
These management practices are already widely happening across the agricultural industry in Wales, and specific projects from our demonstration network, such as trialling multi-species lays and mill-and-till approach, can be found on our website.